Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a vegetable recipe from my home country, Zambia. We hope you enjoy this as much as we do. So today we are doing Chinese cabbage and wrap mixed together from my small garden in Italy. So the first step is you're going to first wash your vegetables clean, and once that is done, you're going to then cut off the hard edges. My vegetables are still young, so I just cut off the tips of the vegetables, but if yours are a bit older, then your stems will be much harder, so cut off a little bit more. So once you've cut off the edges, then you're going to cut down your vegetables in this way. Here you can cut them smaller or bigger, it depends on your preference really. And after you have cut your vegetables, setting them aside, you're going to get a sizable pot for the amount of vegetables you have. Put in some oil. It's difficult to give you specific quantities because the amount of vegetables may always differ. So just enough oil. Put in your onions according to preference, and then put in your tomatoes, a quantity also according to your preference really. So after you fry them together for about 2 to 3 minutes, add in salt to taste. Fry that for about another 2 minutes, and then you're going to set it aside. Next, you're going to get a nice big pot, bring some water to boil, switch that off, and then you're going to put in your vegetables. So put in your vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps you reduce the amount of time you would have to cook your vegetables with the tomatoes, because if you cook them for too long with the tomatoes, your vegetables turn brown. But it also reduces the strong taste of the vegetables. So after that 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to drain off all that water, and then you're going to get your vegetables and mix them with the tomatoes and onions that you had fried earlier. So mixing this well together, you're then going to cook this together for about 5 to 10 minutes, making sure your vegetables do not become too brown or they do not become overcooked. So these type of vegetables can be eaten with Nshima, or what you would call pap, or you can have them with bread or potatoes, whatever form of starch really. So we hope you enjoy this recipe. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.